Good morning, students. This is Shiny, your English teacher, Darshan Academy, Jalandhar. Today, we are going to start our new grammar topic, and that is conjunctions. Before we start conjunctions, let us read these sentences. He is 10 and she is 12. My mom and dad are teachers. I love ice cream, but he loves apples. It's sunny and hot, but I like it. She doesn't go to school because she is sick. Kate was happy because she won the competition. Now see, all these blue words are conjunction words and they are joining two sentences. So, conjunctions are joining words which join two sentences, right? So, we use conjunctions to connect words, phrases, clauses and sentences. There are some commonly used conjunctions, for example, and, but, or, so, because. Now the question is, why do we need conjunctions? We need conjunctions to join two sentences. For example, and. We use and to connect words and sentences. For example, I like chocolate and bananas. My brother can play the violin and he can sing. Right? Use of but. We use but to show contrast. For example, I like oranges but I don't like strawberries. Now in first sentence they have talk about like, and after but they have talk about what they don't like, right? So when there is contrast between two sentences and you want to join it, you will use but. In second sentence, my sister can ride a bicycle but she can't drive. Next is because. We use because to express a reason for something. For example, I passed the test because I studied hard. He was sick because he had played football in the rain. She went to bed early because she was very tired. Now see, in second sentence, after because they have written the reason. When they have given you two sentences, in first sentence they have written the result and second sentence they have given the reason for that result, then you will use because to join the sentences. Now this is your homework. In first two sentences, you will join the sentences using and conjunction. In next six sentences, you will join the sentences using but conjunction. And last six sentences, you will join with the help of because. Thank you.